Hello Peppa Pig fans, welcome back to your favorite channel. I am Eranga and today we have something absolutely adorable to unbox together. Are you ready for a snuggle bedtime adventure with our favorite little piggy? Today we are unboxing the charming Peppa Pig Bedtime Little Library book set. Alright, let's get started. It's time to cuddle up, relax and enjoy these charming bedtime tales with our favorite little piggy Peppa. First up we have Bedtime. Says Peppa and George together. They are both very sleepy. Time for bed, sleepyheads, says Mummy Pig. Peppa and George hop into their bunk beds. Daddy Pig tucks the little piggies in. Night night, Peppa. Night night, George. Close your eyes, says Mummy Pig, turning off the light. It's time for Peppa and George to go to sleep. Snort Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig. It's time for them to go to sleep too. Okay, let's read another story. It's called Bedtime. Peppa and George love jumping up and down in the muddy puddles, especially giant ones. Peppa, George, calls Daddy Pig. It's bath time. We are a little bit muddy, says Peppa. Splash, splash. Peppa and George love splashing in the bath. Ha ha ha, says Daddy Pig. Time to get out. We are a little bit wet, says Peppa. So are we, says Mummy Pig. Everyone giggles. Okay, the next book will be the Storytime. Peppa and George are all ready for bed. Time for a bedtime story, says Daddy Pig. Yay! I like stories about princess, Daddy, says Peppa. Dinosaur, roars George. He likes stories about dinosaurs. Right, begins Daddy Pig with a great big yawn. Once upon a time, there was a princess and a dinosaur. They had a very busy day and were very tired. So they went straight to bed, says Daddy Pig. The end. Okay, the final one is dream time. Peppa, George, Mommy and Daddy Pig are all fast asleep. Peppa is dreaming about being a princess. George is dreaming about a dinosaur. Dinosaur! Mommy Pig is dreaming about going on a holiday. Aha, lovely. And Daddy Pig is dreaming about taking a nap. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy the stories. Let's meet with another nice story. Love you all. See you again. Bye-bye.
Booktube Kids.